secret world of lizards, nature's ancient survivors. They've outlived the dinosaurs, survived 5 mass extinctions, and still roam almost every corner of the earth. They run, they climb, they dig. Some even walk on water. Some are venomous, others change color, and a few can even regrow lost limbs. Meet the lizard, a creature that's not just ancient, but absolutely extraordinary. From desert dragons to tree-dwelling acrobats, this is the untold story of nature's most adaptable survivors. Lizards are reptiles, cold-blooded, scaly-skinned, and incredibly diverse. There are over 7,000 known species, making them one of the largest groups in the reptile family. They belong to the order Squamata, the same order that includes snakes, which means, yes, snakes and lizards are distant cousins. Lizards live on every continent except Antarctica. From deserts and jungles to cities and mountains, they've adapted to environments most creatures can't survive in. Ancient origins lizards have been around for more than 250 million years. They evolved during the Triassic period, even before the first dinosaurs. Many species alive today still carry the traits of those ancient ancestors. Fossils show that early lizards coexisted with massive predators and evolving mammals, adapting by getting smaller, faster, and sneakier. That's the first lesson of the lizard: adapt or die. Are lizards miniature dinosaurs? Though they lived alongside dinosaurs, lizards are not direct descendants of them. However, they share a common ancestor with many ancient reptiles, including crocodiles and dinosaurs. Their ability to survive what the dinosaurs could not makes them one of evolution's greatest success stories. Lizard anatomy and biology: lizards may vary in size, shape, and color, but most share a basic design. They have dry, scaly skin that helps prevent water loss, a key adaptation for desert survival. Most lizards have 4 limbs, movable eyelids, external ears, and a long muscular tail. But it's their skin that makes them fascinating. Some lizards, like geckos, have microscopic hairs on their feet that allow them to climb glass using van der Waals forces, essentially sticking to surfaces at a molecular level. Speed, stealth, and power: lizard abilities. Some lizards are shockingly fast. The whiptail lizard can sprint at 15 miles per hour. Others, like the basilisk, also known as the Jesus lizard, can run across the surface of water using sheer speed and long toes. But stealth is just as powerful. The leaf-tailed gecko can disappear into bark and leaves. Horned lizards squirt blood from their eyes to scare predators. Frilled dragons open a massive frill around their head to look terrifying. Each species has its own defense playbook. Masters of disguise and color chameleons are world famous for their color-shifting ability. But they don't just change color for camouflage. They do it to communicate, regulate body temperature, and signal stress or mating readiness. Other lizards rely on simple color blending. Desert lizards change between sandy and rock tones to stay hidden from both predator and prey. Lizards that clone themselves. Some lizards don't even need a mate. Species like the New Mexico whiptail lizard are all female and reproduce through a process called parthenogenesis, essentially cloning themselves. It's an evolutionary shortcut in environments where males are scarce, ensuring survival no matter the odds. Intelligence and scales: lizards are not mindless reptiles. Studies have shown that monitor lizards can solve simple puzzles and remember the locations of hidden food. The Komodo dragon, the largest lizard on Earth, uses ambush tactics, tracking, and complex behaviors to hunt prey much larger than itself. Lizard brains may be small, but they're wired for survival. Venom and bite: the deadly few. Not all lizards are harmless. The Gila monster and Mexican beaded lizard are venomous and can deliver painful, medically significant bites. Even the mighty Komodo dragon produces venom that causes shock and blood loss in its prey, not bacteria, as once believed. Some species, like the bearded dragon, also have mild venom in their saliva, though it's not harmful to humans. The tails that detach and regrow. When cornered, many lizards drop their tails, a defense mechanism called autotomy. The twitching tail distracts predators, while the lizard makes its escape. Over weeks or months, the tail grows back, though never quite the same. Reproduction and raising the next generation. Most lizards lay eggs, burying them in soil or sand. Others, like some skinks and geckos, give live birth, a rare trait among reptiles. Baby lizards are independent from birth. They must hunt, hide, and survive with no help from parents. Lizards in urban worlds. Lizards are surprisingly common in cities. Geckos climb walls to eat mosquitoes near porch lights. Anoles dart across sidewalks and fences, hunting insects in urban gardens. Some lizards have adapted better to human environments than even birds or mammals. Famous lizards of the world. Komodo dragon, the apex predator of Indonesian islands. Green iguana, arboreal and herbivorous, famous for their prehistoric look. Chameleon, the color-changing masters of tree camouflage. Gecko, found everywhere from rainforest to bathrooms. Frilled lizard, the original dinosaur cosplay. Each species is a chapter in nature's book of innovation, threats, and conservation. Despite their toughness, lizards face growing threats. Deforestation, pollution, and the illegal pet trade have pushed many species to the edge. Some lizards, like the Aruba whiptail or Fijian banded iguana, are critically endangered. Organizations around the world are now working to protect habitats, ban poaching, and reintroduce species back into the wild. Final thoughts. The survivor's blueprint. Lizards are not just reptiles. They are a symbol of adaptation, resilience, and evolutionary creativity. From cloning to camouflage, from venom to vertical climbing, they've mastered it all. They've survived what others couldn't, and they may outlive us all. In a world of speed, noise, and complexity, the lizard reminds us that survival isn't about being the strongest. It's about being the most adaptable. If you like this video, then comment your favorite species below and subscribe for more wildlife documentaries. Thanks for watching.